Alrighty, you guys, it's time to stuff envelopes for the month. So it's February. These are our February envelopes. I've already gotten my cash out for the month. Let me pull it out. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna grab my cash. Went to the credit union, got my cash. I do have change in here. Remember, we're gonna get exactly the denominations that we need for stuffing our cash envelopes. So what I have here are my Conversation envelopes. These come from Etsy shop called Conversation. Use the code Shakema10, get you 10% off at checkout. I have 5 weeks worth of the same item. I have groceries and gas 5 times. Now I've already done groceries and gas for the first week. So I have groceries and gas 4 more times. That's all I have money for is groceries and gas. I have no other additional cash categories for this month. So let me take out my money and I'll show you what I have. Okay. So here's I have $2 in quarters because my grocery money is $62.50 for the week. My first $100, of course, that's for summer groceries. Y'all know I always do $100 to my summer grocery account. So that's going to go over here. Then I have $50 for gas. So I have 1 week, 2 weeks. It's supposed to be another. Oh, I think she might have not had enough 50s. Let me do the grocery money first. Let me do, okay. 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60. That's 2 weeks. Then 20, 40, 60 is 3 weeks. Okay, yep, that's what happened. She didn't have enough 50s, I think. So 61, 62, 61, 62, 61, 62, 50, 50, 50, and I already did groceries this week, but I forgot my 50 cents, so that's going to go in my Save the Change bucket. Now I need gas money for the next 3 weeks. So I have 50 for gas, 50 for gas, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 for gas, which leaves me $11 over. And I'm not sure, wait a minute. Whoops, sorry, 50. 50, 50, 50. That leaves me 11 over. And I'm not sure why I have extra money. Preps. Must be for my preps. I'm sure. Because I had some money for preps and I actually bought some preps today. So $11 is prep money, but I've already spent some money. So I think I'm going to put these 2 5s in my savings, my envelope for savings for my $5. So I'll put that to the side because I already bought some preps. So I'm good on preps, no problem. Didn't need to buy any more. So, and then that's going to leave me $1 extra, which I will put in my purse. So I'll have at least $1 in my purse. I don't traditionally keep much money in my purse, especially after I've already gone and done my groceries or what have you for the month. So that's the first week. This is 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 weeks in February that I'm accounting for. So I'm only taking out these envelopes. So I have groceries, which is my $62.50. And then I have gas, which is my $50. I shopped Harris Teeter to just pick up some preps. And so I was able to get points for gas. If I'm able to shop at Harris Teeter, I will, so I can get my gas points. I got 10 cents off a gallon today. So that's groceries. And then here is my gas money. and then additional, my last week of groceries. And here is my gas money. And so now my envelopes are stuffed for the month. I've already shopped the first week, so I'm good on that. And so there I have all of my envelopes stuffed for this month. I'm going to put my grocery, summer grocery money in its own separate envelope. I'm putting 2 $5 bills into my, what I'm calling now my vacation fund. And so that's going to fund me for vacation. And so I'm going to do that now. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.